My name is Hakan Ozer, and I'm going to explain about birds. Birds have feathers and wings. They lay eggs, and they are warm-blooded. Wild birds are crows, robins, eagles, and owls. Domesticated birds are ducks, goose, chickens, hens, and turkeys. Wild birds eat sharks, salmon, and blowfish, which are types of fish. Eagles. Eagles are a type of predator bird, since they eat meat. They're also the symbol of the United States. All birds lay eggs. Green eggs, blue eggs, no matter what eggs they lay, they all lay eggs. Their chicks hatch from the eggs they lay. Fish are what predator birds eat. They have scales, fins, no hair or fur, and they have gills for breathing. Penguins are the only birds who cannot fly. They live in the Arctic. They cannot fly, and they do not have feathers. Blue jays are a type of prey bird. They do not eat meat. Instead, they eat worms. Owls are another type of predator bird. They mostly come in dark. They can turn their heads more than us. Chickens cannot fly. They eat the eggs they lay, and they're also prey birds. They don't eat worms. Tigers eat birds. They are the predator of the birds. They chase birds everywhere. Last but not least, worms. Worms are the food of prey birds. If there were no worms, there would be no plants or prey birds, because prey birds eat worms. I was talking about it at blue jays. Blue jays are a type of prey bird, like I said. Prey birds eat worms. And that is my draft of birds.